Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a beautiful and functional crochet hair kerchief ideas. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like this all the ideas, all the beautiful designs and all the beautiful patterns. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Add a touch of handmade charm to your hairstyle with a crochet hair kerchief designs. In this video we are making a vintage inspired crochet hair kerchief with delicate lace details. Learn how to crochet this hairstyle and pattern hair accessories using basic stitch and patterns and different basic stitches techniques and patterns. First, let's start with a foundation chain. We will be using a multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add a lace trim. We will be using a combination of chain stitches and double crochet stitches, single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches, and make this all the ideas easily. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in this pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to create unique hair kerchief ideas and designs and different patterns. And that's it. Your lovely crochet hair kerchief is complete to ready to wear. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and tutorials and different ideas. Hope so you like this video and all the ideas, all the beautiful patterns, all the beautiful detailed video. If you want more information about these all the collections, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Share your finished hair kerchief with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next video for more crochet accessories and hair ideas. Happy hooking, and we will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Hope so you like it, all the ideas, all the beautiful pattern. If you want more information about this all the collection, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. Take care of yourself. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.